For this video, the seller sent over this air purifying ozone generator with negative ion purification. Now this thing is designed to handle some of the toughest odors, whether it's in your workspace, your home, or even out in your garage or your basement. Right out of the box, you're gonna notice how compact and powerful this is. It's built with an all metal frame and a nice foldable handle, which just makes it so easy when you're carrying it from room to room, especially if you're taking it to like your cabin, your RV, or even your car. Inside it uses a 4-layer ceramic ozone plate system, and it also puts out 120,000 milligrams of ozone per hour, which is a serious amount of cleaning power. Whether it's pet smells, smoke, a musty basement, or even paint fumes, this thing works fast to break it down at a molecular level. On top of that, you can also use the negative ion setting, which just helps pull all those fine dust particles out of the air, and you can just see a noticeable difference in your air quality at home. Now to operate it, it's so simple. On the back here is where you're gonna plug in your power cord. And then on the front, you just have a couple things you're gonna set. Here's your timer. Now you can have it set for like 20, 40, 60. It goes all the way up to 120 minutes. It also has a hold spot too, where you can have it on as long as you need it to and turn it off whenever you're done. And then down here, you have two different switches. You do have your ozone switch right here. Just pop it up whenever you want to turn it on. And then you have your negative ion switch, so you can go ahead and turn that on too whenever you want to use that. So here's the big thing. You want to use this in unoccupied spaces. So when you are using it, go ahead and set up wherever you need it. Leave the house for a little bit, leave the room for a little bit. It is going to put off that ozone smell. Once you smell it, you'll notice what I'm talking about. It's going to give like a really distinct high-pitched noise. So you want to make sure you are out of the room, even out of the house whenever you are using this, and give it at least an hour or so to go ahead and just clear all that out before you are going to use the room again. It does come with these really nice little hangers. You can go ahead and put on the door. So you are a cleaner and you just cleaned a room for someone, you can go ahead and hang on the door. That way people know not to go into the room until after everything's cleared out. So if you're looking for a serious odor eliminator with deep purification power, this ozone generator is a great option and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.